Children, in part 1 we saw some rules that how to transform these assertive sentences to interrogative sentences. Only very few rules we could see last time. Today I have brought you some more rules. Okay, so now let us learn those rules and through some examples. Okay, the first one is everybody, everyone, all. Okay, if everybody, everyone, all will comes in assertive sentence, okay, in interrogative sentence, what changes you have to make? Instead of these, okay, you have to replace these, okay, using this who plus don't or doesn't or didn't. Okay, this instead of these words, okay, you are going to use these, which are those who plus don't or doesn't or didn't. Three of you should not use any one, either of these you have to use. Okay, now see the first example. Everybody wishes to be rich. Okay, everybody wishes to be rich. So in this you can see that first let us see wishes. Okay, the verb is in, the main verb is in simple present tense, is it not? It is in simple present tense. So what is the rule for this? Do you remember? What is the rule for this? Does plus wish. When does plus wish come, you will get this wishes, is it not? So now here it is, we have to change it to negative. So which one you will take? Don't, doesn't or didn't? Doesn't only you will choose. Okay, so doesn't you will write. So doesn't wish, not does wish, doesn't wish. So now we are going to replace now. Instead of this everybody, what we will write here? Who you will start. Okay, so who, okay, then who. Instead of this, what you have to use here? Doesn't. Okay, you should not use this. This is the rule I have shown you, that doesn't only you have to choose it, because here es is there. Okay, so who doesn't, okay, who doesn't, then this main verb, this wish. Okay, who doesn't wish to be rich. Okay, who doesn't wish to be rich. Okay, is it clear now? Now see the next one, next rule. Okay, one example only I have written because it will take a lot of time for me to finish off. So now second one is never, never. Okay, if there is never in the assertive sentence, you have to change it in the interrogative sentence. You have to replace this never into ever. Okay, whenever never comes, you have to change it into ever. If ever comes, you have to change it into never. Okay, so now here Ajay will never forget my kindness. So this is an assertive sentence, never is there. Okay, so now here, so here this never only you are going to replace into ever here. Okay, so you will write it ever. Now this you have to make it into a question, is it not? Interrogative means you have to start it with a question. So how you will start a question? This auxiliary verb, this one, okay, this will come first. Okay, so will you will start. Okay, will, and then the subject Ajay. Okay, please don't forget this verb first. Okay, this auxiliary verb first, and then the subject, and then this adverb. Okay, this ever, then this you have to take down. Forget my kindness. Now if your answer is correct or not, how you will see? You ask this question and see. Who doesn't wish to be rich? Everybody wishes to be rich. You are getting this answer, is it not? So similarly, here also second sentence. Will Ajay ever forget my kindness? No. Ajay will never forget my kindness. So you're here also you're getting this answer, is it not? So what you have made, what answer you have written, that is exactly correct. Okay. So next we will see. Now see this. Second one is, third one is, it doesn't matter. Okay. In the assertive sentence, the sentence would have started. The sentence would start like this. It doesn't matter. Okay. when it starts like this in the interrogative sentence, what changes you need to make? Instead of this, that means you have to replace these words using this. Okay, what though, you can either you can use what though or does it matter. Okay, any one only you have to choose. That is why I have put slash here. Okay, so whenever it doesn't matter, whenever the assertive sentence starts with these words, it doesn't matter, this phrase, okay, what you have to do, instead of this you have to use what though or does it matter. You have to choose any one only. Okay, don't use both. So now here see, so now this it doesn't matter. Okay, it does not matter means it is doesn't matter only. So instead of this, which one you choose? You can choose this or this. Okay, so I am choosing what though, because what though and all we have never used. So shall we start using what though? Okay, what though, what though, then this you have to take down, that's all. What though if we lose the game. If you want to use this, using these phrase, if you want to start means you will start it. Okay, same. Does it matter? Okay, does it matter if we lose the game? Okay, so tell me, does it matter if we lose the game? No, it doesn't matter if we lose the game and all. It doesn't matter. We get the answer this one, is it not? So what answer you have written here, it is tallying, matching this question. Okay, so what answer you have written is correct. Now see the next one, every plus noun. Okay, every plus noun means any common noun, man, person, girl, child, okay, car, anything, everything, like that, any noun it can come. Okay, so every plus noun, whenever it starts like this, okay, the assertive sentence starts with these words. Okay, you have to replace this using is there any. You will start the sentence using is there any, then that noun, this noun, whatever noun is, that noun you will write, and then who you will write. After that immediately you will use who, then you will write seeing the verb. Okay, if it is in simple present tense, okay, does, that means es or yes, if it has comes, you choose this one. Okay, if there is no yes or es, it is not, that means you choose this one. Okay, it will be easy for you to find out, okay, which one you have to use. So here es is there, so you will use which one? This doesn't. Okay, when you use doesn't, here what changes you have to make? Yes, you will remove. Okay, so what is the rule here? Does plus desire. Okay, does plus desire is equal to, you are getting here desires. Okay, so when you in interrogative sentence it changed into negative, so doesn't you are using, doesn't desire. You will not write here does desire, you will write here doesn't desire. So now this, shall we start now? Every man, instead of this every man, what we will write here? What will start? Is there any, is it not? So we will start here, is there any. Okay, is there any, what noun is given here? Man is given. So any man. So is there any man? Then what? Who? Which one you have to choose? Doesn't. Why we are using choosing this one? Because here the verb is, in the verb yes is there. Okay, yes or ies, whatever comes, you have to choose this only. So who doesn't desire, only desire, because there's a desire. Okay, desire to be a millionaire, to be a millionaire. Okay, yeah, next. Now see here, this is the last one. There is see, whatever I have written in the left side, that means the sentences will be these sentences will be assertive sentence. Okay, right side means that is interrogative sentences. Okay, so you can easily identify how, because interrogative means it will start, question mark will be there, so it will be start, question will be there, question type. And here means assertive means you can know, you can understand which one is assertive. Okay, So now this is assertive. Okay. So there is no. If there in the assertive sentence, if the sentence starts with these words, there is no, you have to start. Either you can start, is there any, or who or what. Is there anyone? Okay. This thing you can start with, or you can start with this one. Either this or this. Okay. So any one only. So let us start using is there any? Okay. So we will start is there. Okay. Sorry, I didn't write the question. So I am writing here the question. Okay. There is no use of mint leaves. Okay. This is the assertive sentence. So here you can see there is no. Instead of this we are going to use is there any. Is there any use? Is there any use of mint leaves? Okay. So I am asking a question. Hey, is there any use of mint leaves? No. There is no use of mint leaves. So you will get you got the answer here. Is it? No, there is no use of mint leaves. So now using this we shall try it. Okay. Who is used for persons and what is used for things. Okay. So shall we start now? Same sentence we are going to write. Okay. This is one method and this is another one. Okay. We are going to try using that. So now here it is a thing only, is it not? It is not talking about any person and all. So it is thing only. Mint leaves are thing. Okay. So we will write. We will start the sentence with what we will write because it is used for things. So what is the use of mint leaves? Okay, so you will start like this. What is the use of mint leaves? You will start like this. Okay. Understood? We tried two methods using is there any use of mint leaves? No, there is no use of mint leaves for this. What is the use of mint leaves here? No, there is no use of mint leaves. Okay. So both this, either this method you can try or this method. Okay. So I hope you have understood. So we have come to the end of the lesson now. So let's see again in the next lesson. Bye children.